how to log in to Royal Bank of Scotland digital banking account. So if you want to log into your Royal Bank of Scotland digital banking account, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for Royal Bank of Scotland digital bank login. And after searching, here on the first search you will have login to Royal Bank of Scotland digital banking, which is www.digitalbanking.rbs. Click on that and it will take you to the web page. So now what you can do is you can simply go for login, which is on the upper right. But if you don't have an account, then you can go for sign up here, and then you can sign up to your account. So to log into your digital banking, click on login. And here you will have steps in your digital banking login. So first you need to enter your customer number. So this is your date of birth followed by your unique identification number. So if you forgot your login details, you will have this forgotten your login details, and after clicking on that you can get some instructions to log into your account. But if you remember your customer number, then simply enter your customer number, and then you can click on card and you can enter your 16-digit card number across the front of your debit or your credit card. You can simply choose either one of these options. You can either enter your customer number or your card number. And after entering any one of that, you can simply click on Remember Me. And if you click on Remember Me, your account will be saved on your device while you log in next time. So after entering your information, you can click on Continue, and your first step will be completed. And after clicking on Continue, it will take you to the second step where you have to enter your password, and after entering your password, it will log into your digital banking. So that's it. That's how you log into your Royal Bank of Scotland digital banking account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.